Hi there, and welcome back to another video of Drunkinart. And today we are learning how to correctly use the correction tape. So without further ado, let's begin. First, we'll go on and start to write whatever we purposely wish to do wrong. And once you're done writing the thing that you have purposely made wrong, take out your correction tape and press it firmly. Press the tape firmly on the paper and pull. And that's how you get a clean paper. And as you can see, we still have a bit of left on the top and on the bottom, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up with the correction tape. Once that is done, we can recap the correction tape and we can rewrite over the correction tape that we already used. So this is how you can use a correction tape correctly. So just let's go ahead and make an art with it. We will start by quickly drawing an eye and coloring it with watercolors. As this is not on watercolor paper, you can see the paper wrinkling up as we give it more water. Right, now that we are done drawing, we can use the correction tape over it. As first try, I thought it would work, but it didn't, as the paint didn't even dry correctly. But I had to finish the video anyways, so I went ahead and started applying it over and over again. But this time I used my fingers to make sure the tape doesn't come off, and for good reason it didn't. So I went ahead and tried another one on the lower side of the paper so that I can get a good highlight, but I ended up with just half of it. But the entire thing looks good as a drawing, so I'm just pretty happy with the result.